Hello and welcome to the very first cocktail of science. Today we're going to be making a color-changing Tom Collins or gin fizz or whatever you want to call it. Basically it's going to be gin and something else. In this video we re-derive the Tom Collins or gin fizz cocktail recipe, which is well known in the literature. We jazz it up by incorporating a color-changing reaction resulting from the pH change during drink preparation. The Tom Collins is a basic cocktail requiring gin, lemon, sweetener, which we omit, and soda water. The simple list of materials means the qualities of the gin will be more apparent. We like that. First, we have our gin. Why is that gin blue, you might be asking? The authors have selected a specific gin for this experiment, Empress 1908 gin, distilled in Victoria, Canada. Gin is typically a clear spirit with a standard list of botanicals. We've selected this gin for its special use of butterfly pea blossom, which is what gives this gin its indigo hue. So start with your glass and some ice and add about 1.5 ounces of gin. You really don't have to be too careful here. Next, we're going to add our lemon juice. Here I'm just cutting a lemon in half and squeezing it directly into the glass. You may want to use a lemonade or something like this. Now watch closely. See that? When the lemon juice touches the gin, our indigo hue turns into something a little more pink. And here we're going to do it in our second glass. Okay, well, there's a little less juice in this one. Oh well. Expertly mix. Here you probably add your sweeteners, syrup of some sort or sugar. I omit this and skip right to the soda water. Ta-da! The indigo gin changed color when the lemon juice was added. The color change is a result of the change in pH of the solution. Like a pH test strip, the chemical responsible for the indigo color changes structure in the presence of an acid, which in this case comes from the lemon. Thanks for watching.